Welcome back, everyone. In the last video, we laid the groundwork for building a successful online business. We talked about finding your niche, establishing a strong online presence, and promoting your venture. Today, we're diving into the fun part, monetization strategies. This is where you transform your online efforts into real income. Remember, the specific strategies will vary depending on the method you choose, but we'll explore some of the most popular options to equip you with a well-rounded toolkit. Monetization strategies, turning your passion into profit. Here are some effective monetization strategies to consider. Direct sales. Number 1, selling products or services. If you have a physical product to sell, you can create an online store or leverage existing platforms like Etsy or Amazon. If you offer services, showcase your expertise and attract clients through your website or online profiles. Number 2, digital products. Sell downloadable content like ebooks, templates, software, or stock photos. This allows you to create passive income streams where you earn money upfront without the need for continuous product fulfillment. Advertising and sponsorships. Number 1, display advertising. Displaying ads on your website or blog can be a great way to generate income. Consider partnering with premium ad networks or directly with businesses to showcase targeted ads relevant to your audience. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Promote other companies' products or services and earn a commission on every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. Focus on promoting products that complement your niche and offer value to your audience. Content monetization. Number 1, online courses and memberships. Package your knowledge and expertise into online courses or create exclusive membership communities with premium content for paying subscribers. This is a fantastic way to leverage your expertise and build recurring revenue streams. Number 2, paid content. Offer premium blog posts, articles, or videos accessible only to paying subscribers. This allows you to cater to a specific audience willing to pay for in-depth content. Freelancing and service-based businesses. Number 1, freelancing marketplaces. Utilize platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to connect with clients and offer your freelance services, whether it's writing, design, programming, or anything else you excel at. Number 2, coaching and consulting. Offer one-on-one coaching or consulting services to clients seeking personalized guidance and support in your area of expertise. Other creative avenues. Number 1, Patreon. Build a community of patrons who support your creative endeavors through recurring monthly contributions. This is a great option for artists, musicians, writers, or anyone producing creative content. Number 2, product licensing. If you have a creative streak, consider licensing your designs, illustrations, or photographs for use on products like t-shirts, phone cases, or mugs. Number 3, live streaming. Platforms like Twitch or YouTube allow you to generate income through donations or subscriptions from viewers during live streams. This strategy works well if you can build an engaged audience around your live content. Remember, the key to success lies in providing value to your audience. People are more likely to spend money on products, services, or courses that solve their problems or improve their lives in some way. The beauty of online business is the flexibility to experiment and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to test different monetization strategies and analyze the results. Over time, you'll refine your approach and discover the most effective ways to turn your online presence into a profitable venture. In the next video, we'll delve deeper into some advanced techniques to maximize your online income. We'll explore strategies for scaling your business, leveraging data and analytics, and building a sustainable online empire. So stay tuned and get ready to take your online business to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to Life Unveiled for more valuable insights and strategies to fuel your online business journey. Hit that like button to show us some love and share this video with anyone who might be interested in exploring the exciting world of online business.